Well, hi, thanks for another edition of Harriet Tubman's greatest hits, Songs of the Underground Railroad, Songs of Freedom. Today I have two songs for you, The Gospel Train and The Gospel Ship. Gospel Train, of course, is about the Underground Railroad, which was not underground nor was it a railroad, but a series of safe houses that were run by abolitionists and conductors of the Underground Railroad as Harriet Tubman. It was against the law for enslaved people in so many states to be taught to read or write, so they had to communicate through song and through music. Now, the second song I'm doing, I actually learned on an old Carter family, and it's called a white spiritual, and it's called A Song from the Sacred Harp. The Sacred Harp is that singing that was wonderfully done in that movie called Cold Mountain. But both of these songs sound so similar. And I think through music and certainly food, hopefully we can understand how cultures have always come together. Get on board, little children, get on board. Little children, get on board. Little children, there's room for many a more. Get on board, little children, get on board. Little children, get on board. Little children, there's room for many a more. I hear the train a-coming, it's coming close at hand. It's coming round that mountain and strolling through the land. Get on board, little children, get on board. Little children, get on board. Little children, there's room for many a more. Get on board, little children, get on board. Little children, get on board. Little children, there's room for many a more. I've good news to bring, that is why I sing. All my joys with you I'll share. I'm gonna take a trip on that old gospel ship and go sailing through the air. I'm gonna take a trip on that old gospel ship, going far beyond the sky. I'm gonna shout and sing till the bell done ring when I bid this world goodbye. Get on board, little children, get on board. Little children, get on board. Little children, there's room for many a more. Get on board, little children, get on board. Little children, get on board. Little children, there's room for many a more. I hear the train a-coming, it's coming round the curve. Putting on its steams and brakes, straining every nerve. Get on board, little children, get on board. Little children, get on board. Little children, there's room for many a more. I can hardly wait, I know I won't be late. I'll spend my time in prayer. And when the ship comes in, I'll leave this world of sin and go sailing through the air. I'm gonna take a trip on that old gospel ship, going far beyond the sky. I'm gonna shout and sing till the bell done ring when I bid this world goodbye. Get on board, little children, get on board. Little children, get on board. Little children, there's room for many a more. Get on board, little children, get on board. Little children, get on board. Little children, there's room for many a more. The fare is cheap, all can go, the rich and poor are there. No second class upon this train, no difference in the fare. Get on board, little children, get on board. Little children, get on board. Little children, there's room for many a more. If you're ashamed of me, you ought not to be, and you'd better have a care. If too much fault you'll find, you'll be surely left behind, sailing through the sing. That is why I sing. All my joys with you I'll share. I'm gonna take a trip on that old gospel ship and go sailing through the air. All right. Well, there are two versions, and thanks for listening. I'll be doing probably Wade in the Water. That was probably Harriet's greatest hit. But until then, that was Gospel Train and Gospel Ship, and have a great, great week.